You're watching the Fact Asylum. Have you ever caught a yawn from someone nearby? Maybe it was during a boring lecture or a long meeting. Research suggests that yawning is more than just a sign of tiredness, but rather a brain function to regulate body temperature and blood pressure. When we see someone else yawn, our brain thinks there's an infection in the air and tries to mimic the behavior as a protective measure. This theory is known as the yawn cascade or social contagion. It's not just limited to humans. Animals like dogs and monkeys also exhibit contagious yawning.